Managing a fleet comes with plenty of responsibilities, like maintenance, compliance, and safety. But keeping the content secure, that's something fleet managers shouldn't have to worry about. At Thunderbolt Locks, our mission is to take that worry away. We manufacture the world's best security locks so fleet managers can focus on their work without concerns about theft. Thunderbolt Locks has been in business for over 5 years. We have about 20,000 or more locks on the road protecting vehicles. Each lock is hand assembled, tested, and shipped from our facility just outside of Chicago. Our reach extends nationwide and across the globe. There's a good chance if you name a country, there's a van driving around with our locks in it. Fleets are a prime target for thieves because they precisely know what's inside the vehicle by the advertisement on the outside. If it says electronics, they know there's TVs in there. If it's a distributor, there's a good chance there's liquor or tobacco. And if it's a plumbing vehicle or a mechanical vehicle, they know it's loaded with tools. And when they break in, they don't just steal what's inside. The theft is compounded, leading to lost revenue and time, disrupted delivery routes, project delays, weeks or even months spent replacing stolen items, canceled jobs, unhappy customers, higher insurance premiums, or even dropped coverage. We work with fleets of all sizes to prevent this, from small companies with less than a dozen vehicles to a nationwide brand with hundreds of service vans, and even a food delivery company with over 1,000 trucks all across North America. Regardless of the fleet size, the goal always remains the same: securing what's inside and in turn, safeguarding many aspects of the business. Our deadbolt locks operate from a key fob, either from your factory key fob or one from Thunderbolt. And on box trucks, we have an accessory that'll automatically engage the deadbolt as soon as that door is shut. This way, if a worker has his hands full, it'll take care of that automatically and they can be on to their delivery. The key advantage to the Thunderbolt lock is they get installed internally, making them tamper-proof, out of sight, and out of reach for thieves. If a thief can see a padlock or a puck lock, they have a target and they can easily defeat those in about 30 seconds. Thunderbolts have a universal design, making them compatible with any type of vehicle, whether it's a work van, step van, or box truck. And they'll fit any style door, whether it's the roll-up door, swing doors, or even sliding doors. As far as the installation goes, they can easily be installed by your in-house mechanics. We have manuals, videos, templates online, and excellent customer support from technicians who have literally installed hundreds of these. So whether you're a fleet manager or a business owner, we'll work with you to secure your fleet, making you a superhero like Captain Thunderbolt, preventing crime, saving your company time, money, and a lot of frustration. If you have any questions, contact us at Thunderbolt Locks.